me a betting grip. All done. Betting stance. Betting stance. Just relax, guys. Relax, put it down. And down, just relax. Put on the side. The capacity as well. Just relax. 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 Better. Just relax. Bed lifting. You lift it up like this. And let's go. Bed lifting. Not too high. Not too high. Bed lifting, guys. No, down. It means we are ready. Bed lifting. Now you can hit a shot. Hit a drive. Hit a shot. All done. All done. Stop. Put in your chin under like this, Andy. Let's go on your mouth, Andy. Let's go. Throw position. Delivery position. Let's go. Andy, let's go. Follow through. Andy. All done. All done. Andy, one more. Andy. Bowling position. I need to see your bowling arm. Andy. Look at my head. Where is it? Andy. Let's go. Throw position, Andy. Deliver position. Andy. Deliver position. And it's okay, fine. Let's go. Address your stump. Let's go quick. Let's go. Let's go. Nice one. Address your stump. Let's go. Let's go quick. Let's go. Let's go next. Let's go this side. Let's go. Let's go. Address your stump. Hold on. Let's go. Address your stump. Let's go. Let's go quick. Yes. Address your stump and remember to address it. Let's go. Next. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go quick, let's go, address the stump, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There's the ball, address your stumps. Hold down, two hands, let's go, address your stumps, let's go. Stop, stop, stop. Andy, let's go. Andy, let's go, run, let's go. Let's go again. Let's go, guys, let's go. Let's go, guys, let's go.